Bro, what are you doing? We're trying to do a modeling shoot. Where are you going with the camera? There's nothing out there. Put the camera back on me. How are we going to do a modeling shoot if you're busy with the camera looking for deer? There's no deer. What do you mean it has stripes? It doesn't have stripes. That's ridiculous. Put the camera back on me. What are you doing? Come on. What are you looking for out there? There's nothing with stripes in Austin. Come on, bro. You're being ridiculous. Stop. Put the camera on me. We're trying to do a modeling shoot. You're being stupid.